Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will present to you Matchbox cars, Hot Wheels cars and Kinsmart. We will start with Matchbox. What do we have here? We have EMC Eagle 9080. From here it's look really nice car, but we have to open that box. So let's start. Okay, what do we have? Let's start to open this box. Okay. Oh my God, what am I doing? Oh, this is not good. Not good at all. Oh my God, finally I managed to destroy uh, this box, and what we have, oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful car. Yeah, I like it. Those lines are really cool on it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's classical Matchbox car, really beautiful lines. Yeah, wheels are good, beautiful. Matchbox, okay. Yeah, it's really nice car. Next one will also is a Matchbox car. It's a Tesla. I paid that one car €1.59. That's cool. That's cool. Basically, there are €2, but okay. We are here to see Tesla Model X. Let's see what we have inside. After some troubles with opening again, finally we have Tesla unboxed car. It's beautiful. Let's see. You can see, we can see inside everything. It's basics, actually basically car made car. Let's see what's, yeah, it's Tesla. It's beautiful, but I think they can do much better than this. Maybe I ask too much, but I think they can do better than this. The next one is Kinsmart's Volkswagen Bug. Really beautiful car with Kinsmart actually made really beautiful model cars. This one is 1967 Volkswagen and got a license, official license of Volkswagen on it. Let's see what we have here. Nothing more they can tell us about this car. Okay, it's a black and red car. You can see down there is nothing, but doors can be opened. A front door can be opened. Let's see inside. It's not quite detailed. Basically done. Okay, not bad, but not something special. Yeah, beautiful car actually. I like the colors. I like the colors of the car. I will not take this down. Uh, we can see the car and right here. But colors are really, really beautiful and I like it. Next, what do we have from Hot Wheels? Firehouse Fueler. This is actually my first truck of Hot Wheels. I really do not have many trucks. Actually, I lied. It's the second one, but this is the biggest one. Okay, let's see inside. Finally, I done it. A little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, I done it. Somehow, yeah. What I can say about this truck. Mm, it looks cool, looks nice. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, now it's better. Nice, really nice car. Actually, truck. Yeah, we can lift up this part, and there is a space for another car. And this time I will put this Matchbox Tesla. I know everybody will say, "Come on, Matchbox and Hot Wheels doesn't fit together," but look at this, it's fit together. Yeah. Um. Okay. Well, let us take it out and see a little bit closer this truck. I'm satisfied with this Hot Wheels truck. Yeah, looks cool, looks nice, it's big, and a lot of details. Let's see inside a little bit. Yeah, classical Hot Wheels, but I'm satisfied with this model. Yeah, the trailer is really good. Yeah, this is good.